So guys, this is a Baldwin 6301 lever strength lock, 6301-LS. Lever strength lock is designed to be used with levers. With Baldwin, the levers are heavier, so it requires extra support. This is a brand new lock that was sent to a customer who had a problem with one that I actually fixed, and he sent me this one to do the same thing that I did to the other one. When I received his other one, it had already been modified to make work. Presumably the customer has smaller levers and it was extremely hard to turn because of the extra support mechanism in here. Since that one was missing, it was allowing it to turn a little bit easier with the handle, and the problem is when it broke and he requested a replacement under warranty, it came new with that extra support mechanism. So when it was installed, they once again had trouble doing this. Now, this is totally not recommended at all to do, because as soon as you do this, number one, you are going to void the warranty. And when you do this right here, which is required to take this case apart, when you punch through to get this one screw out, that just voided the warranty on this $300+ lock. So another thing, by doing what I'm doing, by modifying it, it is going to cause quicker wear on the parts that the return spring that is responsible for returning that, so the lock itself will wear out and break quicker than normal. However, we have made the customer aware of that. Here we have, as you've seen in other Baldwin mortise lock videos, this is just a piece of wood with two screws. You put these in here to keep the lock from blowing up. So what I'm going to do is show you the part that I'm removing, and again, it is totally not recommended to do this because it will hasten the wear and tear on your lock. We have already avoided the warranty by punching through that seal. These are reversible. To reverse them, you do have to take it apart. I'm not really sure how that works with the locksmith trade. We are set up with Baldwin, so presumably maybe with the locksmith companies they do not. I'm not sure how they handle that. I cannot say for sure whether it would still be under warranty since a locksmith did it versus a customer, but I'm sure if a customer did it, took it apart, and it blew up like it predictably will, then they probably will not warranty at that point. So once I got the screws out, this one has 1, 2, the warranty voided screw, 3, 4. And we're going to pop this apart. Remember, this comes apart very explosively. Did I miss a screw? I don't think I missed a screw, did I? Yes, I did miss. No, wait. That's not a screw. Okay, maybe it's just really tight on there. Let's come in from the edge here. I am not seeing what's holding this. I'm going to turn this around for just a minute to see what's holding us up. It appears to be nothing holding us up. However, it is still securely attached. So presumably there is another screw underneath this sticker somewhere. Alright, let us go grab another plate. This is another 6201. We have that, two. There is two. There's one here and one there. Kind of hard to know. And that was what was holding us up. So 5 screws on this sucker. Once you get the 5 screws out, we're going to pop the plate off. Hopefully everything stays together. We'll go ahead and turn it around. And inside of our beautiful mortise lock, let's move it up, we will see the knob return support right there. Now these hubs are also spring loaded, and once we remove this part, it will solely depend on the springs right here. And let me shed just a little bit of light on that. We'll cock it to the side. And if we see, you can see those, see that red springs in the hub right there? Those are the actual knob return. This is just the support. So what we're doing here today is simply pulling this part out. And it is spring loaded, of course. So you're going to want to be careful. That just popped out right there. But once it's out, we are done. All we have to do is put it back together. Now, it does not have that extra support. And make sure everything stayed the same, which it should if you were careful and have your jig mechanism. We're going to snap this cap on. Only thing that's you got to tweak here is this bottom. And we're going to snap it into place. This little process is always a little bit tricky to get it to snap in, so I'm going to turn it back around because I'm kind of upside down with my video, which is making it harder for me. So I'm going to push this back in. It's easier with it centered. And bring our plate in. Move this up. And push this hub up. And it should snap in here. Okay, we're sealed all the way around, looks like. There we go. Okay, we're going to hold that down and go ahead and put in at least 2 of our screws so that it does not pop back apart on us. And then we're going to get a knob and test it. So that is it. If you have a lever strength lock and it is too difficult to turn, you can do that. But again, will void the warranty, will cause quicker wear and tear on the lock, which is not good considering these are really expensive. Alright, so I'm going to take it off the block, go grab a knob, and we will give it a try. So I will be right back. I don't think I have a knob up here. Didn't bring one with me. There we go. Take it off of our jig now that we've got these screws securely fastened. All those nice and snug. It's a good idea to put Loctite on them. Not necessary, just a good idea. And we're going to take it off and we're going to try it with our doorknob. It only turns one way like a lever does, but that's it. So, warranty voided, but made to work for the customer. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.